Hey, everyone. This is Jordan. We've got folks all over the world on the call today because you like to do what I like to do, and that's make money online. And we're gathered Texas, Florida, Australia. Good to see everyone. All right, so today's call is going to be an interactive call. Make sure you're taking notes. I'm going to go slow, especially through the live demo, but I may need your help at times. And it's important you take notes so when you do the homework, it's much easier. Just one page with some bullet points. All right. This is week two. Week two of the Traffic Sellers Club. Got a lot of great content today. We're going to set up a new monetization method. So just more ways to get paid off the same traffic. All right, before I get started today, I have to do a proper earnings disclaimer. Anything you see today is what we've done and what our students have done. I cannot guarantee you'll make money. I can't even guarantee you're paying attention. You could totally be watching Oprah right now. It's a proper earnings disclaimer. Today, first thing is our double money method. Okay. You're really going to want to implement this. It's part of the system. And it really is the most beautiful part. When me and Brett figured this out, we went nuts. Our first campaign generated $270,000 in 16 months. Trading traffic, selling traffic, and smart links is where the money is. Okay. Now this is working right now. So that's why it's important you do the homework. Pop Cash. Pop Cash today. You're gonna love Pop Cash. Instant approval. It's very fast payouts. They could put you on a VIP level. Our account is on a VIP level. Pop Cash is great. They pay with PayPal, and we'll be setting up our system to sell to them today. they give good rates for any type of traffic, and they pay on time. It's very important when we work with a third party that I vet that third party, and I've done that for you. I'll actually go look at the spend in my account and see how much we've actually spent in PlugRush, buying that traffic, selling it other places. And PlugRush mainstream. So this is an alternative to the adult monetization method. If for any reason you don't want to do the adult, I actually implore you, don't do the adult. I don't like looking at that stuff. Is it profitable? Yes. But you can also do mainstream and it does just as well. The traffic volume isn't as high on mainstream, but that's okay. Adult's just a little cheaper and there's a lot more of it. But we're gonna go over how to create a mainstream campaign. Simulated offers. We have a new simulated offer we're gonna run. I'll explain to you what simulated is. These are a lot of fun. A lot of my students like these, a mix of these offers and real offers. Okay. Q&A. We have lots of time for Q&A. I already have the most common questions in my email, so yeah, that shouldn't be a problem because we can cover almost everything. And I'm seeing questions come in right now. In fact, hold your questions till the end because I won't see, the chat gets so busy sometimes, I don't see the questions if they come in early on the call. So just make a note of that question and put it out. I'll answer it better at the end because I have more time. Okay, this is the method right here. So we use this to monetize our traffic over and over and over. The key to traffic selling is squeezing every penny, every third of a penny out of your traffic. Because if you can do that, you're instantly profitable. And once you're profitable, you can scale. And the best thing about trading traffic is the traffic prices. They don't change for years and years. The mobile boom has leveled out. The 30% increases in traffic every year for the mid 2000s all the way up to 2010. But now it's slowing, and that's good. All right, that's good from a traffic trading perspective. We've got lots of traffic and we've got it cheap. Stale timers. Stale timers move the traffic through our funnel. This is the same thing the pros do. Once that page gets stale, meaning there was no interaction with the user, they didn't click anything, you didn't generate any clicks. After that point, they're redirected to any page we want. So what if I told you that we could do that over and over and over? Yeah. Now you're starting to understand what this is. Each traffic selling platform monetizes differently. We had this idea when we were sending to one platform, another platform, we are sending to create a new campaign for each platform. And what we didn't realize is with one campaign and the use of a stale timer, we can get every single penny out of our traffic that we can. And that makes a difference between 0% ROI, 10% ROI. It's because of the volume, folks, the traffic volume we have here. So in fact, today we're going to do the 4X method because I think it's better than doubling our money. So we're going to quadruple our money with this method. So first we have traffic. This is ClickHub. Now it should be to 5x your money, but ClickHub is already monetizing traffic that you bought from there for you, okay? So your traffic's coming through ClickHub, and we have our first gallery page. It's the same page that you have as a zip file. When you see that green little dollar sign, that's when there's an opportunity to monetize your traffic. Next, we have our stale timer 1. So we've been on page 1 for more than 30 seconds. Our stale timer 1 is going to fire. Now, what if I told you we could just do what we did previously? We could double it up. Look, now we sent it to the same page, gallery page, the same one we're using in step 1, but we change the subdomain and we clone the page. So the stale timer fires the second page. And on that page, we add another monetization method. So we put plug rush on 1, pop ads, pop cash on a second, and we keep going down and down and down. The more we have, the better. After that, we do it one more time to get all the final traffic, every single click that comes through. We want to, just like a fishing net, we want to capture all of that. So we have stale timer 1 goes to page 2, stale timer 2 goes to page 3, and at the very end of that, stale timer 3 goes to the SmartLink offer. Okay. So we have our traffic coming in, and then we do 3 stale timers. Every time we're gonna use a different ad code. I know this can be, it's a lot until you wrap your mind around it, then you understand how simple it is. I told you this was not a complicated system. It's 3 pages, they redirect to each other, and then the SmartLink offer on the back. All right, let's go ahead and keep moving forward. This is a simulated offer. A simulated offer is a real offer, real leads, and a click-through rate. Okay. It performs very similar and most time better than your conventional offers. It was just added to Rev Profits. So you should be able to see it. It's a private offer. This offer does not pay out. It's a simulated offer, and it does not pay out. It's for coaching only, it's private. And we're gonna use this to collect data, okay? We use it to collect data while other offers are in maintenance. Okay. And we use this all the time. When offers need maintenance, we want to make sure there's something there that we can track and perform We can perform performance marketing decisions based on the data that we have in Rev Profits, okay? All right, let's start with PlugRush Mainstream. So we're gonna go from PlugRush Mainstream. Make sure you're taking notes. I am too. So from PlugRush Mainstream, we're gonna go ahead and paste that ad code. We're gonna build a second Landerbolt page. We're gonna do pop ads today, okay? Not pop cash, pop ads. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Just a moment, I'm pulling up. So on my screen, you won't be able to see my screen momentarily. All right, can you all see my screen? Okay, let's start with the first thing. Traffic trading was denied by on everyone's account, okay? And that's fine. We'll circle around to that in week 4. So understand that's okay. Again, that's okay if traffic trading was not allowed, okay? That's fine. Next thing, if you got a message saying that you have excessive advertising, okay, before we get, I'm gonna wait to go through the content until I address these things. If you have an excessive advertising message, go into Landerbolt, go to your dashboard, find your PlugRush gallery page, go to the file manager, index.html, and navigate to line 8. Change your stale timer to 30 seconds. Save it. Now go into PlugRush. Copy the URL that you tried already. Click register website. Paste in the URL. And now refer to training 1, week 1. And that's approximately 15 minutes into the call. So now you're gonna go to training 1 in the video library and watch the PlugRush website registration. And register your site, okay? Next, mainstream, okay? Let's do a mainstream campaign. So you can use mainstream if you want, and here's how we're gonna do mainstream. So you're gonna take your site, because we understand this, we don't want, well, you could have your other site there, yeah, that's fine. But the thing is that your Rev Profits URL is gonna go to your main site. So you can switch to mainstream, and here's how to do it. Click on your website, okay, and okay, yeah. So now you know this site has adult ads on it. All right. When you register a new website, let's go back to Landerbolt. Go to the dashboard. Now click on domains. I want you to click manage on your domains. And these are subdomains. So we're going to add 2 subdomains. Blog, tech, style, life, home, fashion. One of those 5 right there, or 6 if you want to do style too. So I'm going to add one called blog, and you're going to do that too. All right, so once you click the little plus mark, it's going to add that subdomain to your domain. I'm going to do shop. It's a good subdomain. All of these are good. Okay, so you're going to add 2 subdomains. Now you're going to come back to your dashboard. Take your first Plug Rush gallery page, your only page. There's a duplicate page feature. Click duplicate page. Call this Plug Rush. Plug Rush mainstream. Select your domain. Select a subdomain. Create page. Landerbolt's going to think for a little bit, and then it's going to say page created successfully. Now you're going to click publish. So now you have your second Plug Rush page, okay? Let's go back to Plug Rush. Click websites and copy in your new URL. Paste it. Click validate. Content. Mainstream. Okay? Instead of adult, click mainstream. Again, this is really easy to miss. I missed it when I first did it. So it's a very small little box. Change that to mainstream. Orientation. Lifestyle. Lifestyle. Click register. Now click the down arrow. There's a button that says JavaScript non-ad block safe. Click that. Okay, now it wants a tag to your website. Copy the tag. Let's go back to Landerbolt. Go to the File Manager. Go to index.html over here. And on line 4, right after the head tag, it says arrow, head, arrow. Paste your ad code. And that's it. All right, so that's how you do a website without any adult. This is just mainstream, okay? All right, next is pop ads. So you're gonna do this. So you go to popads.net. All right, pop ads is very similar to PlugRush. However, there's more mainstream traffic. We've worked with them for half a decade more, maybe more. Great owners, great site. They pay on time, pay with PayPal. So now we're gonna hit sign up in the green sign up button. You're gonna need a username, your email, account type. Don't touch that. Do not touch account type. Put a password in. First name, last name, phone number. Accept the terms. Make sure you check over your information. And register. Now go to your email. Once you've approved your account from your email, you're going to go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, I told you we spent a lot. Look at that. Spent 117,000 bucks in here. 117,000 in just pop ads. So it's very simple user interface. It's one of the most simple ones that we actually have access to. On the left-hand side, you're going to go to the Publishers panel and click Websites. I'm sorry, New Website. Publishers panel, New Website. Okay. Now go back to Landerbolt. Go to the dashboard. Copy your PlugRush mainstream page and duplicate it. Give your page a name, call it Pop Ads Page 1. Now use your second subdomain. We created 2 subdomains, use the second one and click Create Page. Now publish. Now go to the File Manager. You're going to go to index.html and we're going to delete line 5. So you go to line 5. It starts with script. There's a website address and then end script. Delete it. So this is our PlugRush page. We're duplicating it so it can be used on pop ads, okay? Now scroll down to line 993. 993. I'll pause for a second. 993. I'm sorry, 933. 933. 933. There's no 993. There's a 933. Delete the script that starts with script and script on 933. Now save your page. Click on Page Properties. Copy your URL. Go back to Pop Ads. Site 1 is the name. Paste in your URL. Leave description blank. Category. General news. General news. So site 1, your URL, general news. Now add website. If it makes you put in a description, do news site. News site. Add website. All right, so it's got a little thumbnail of our site. Click yes. My site is visible in the screenshot above. And then I have chosen the correct category for my website. Click add website. So this is our site. This is beautiful. Look at this. It's going to show you your total earnings in the bottom. Okay, it shows you your allowed methods, which is pop under, pop up, tab under, tab up, floating, banner, push, notifications. No adult content, that's turned off. Next, we want to get code. So click on get code. Everyone see that? There's a little blue actions bar. It says edit, remove, get code. On the right-hand side of the page, big blue buttons. Get code. Pop unders per visitor. 0 means disabled, so don't touch that. Don't touch the next to 0. Minimal bid. Leave it at 0. Delay between pop unders, 0. iframe compatibility. Leave it as default. Leave everything as default. Now you're going to have your ad code in a little box. Copy your ad code. Let's go back to Landerbolt. Go to our file manager. Our index.html. Go to the head tag on line 4 and right after the arrow. So on line 4, there's an arrowhead. Right after the closing arrow, paste your script and then save it. All right. So we're almost done here. We have our pop ads code in our page. Go back to pop ads and click on websites. So you see there's a publishers panel. Websites is the third one down. Okay, so we're just approved here. Okay, pop ads is auto approved. Next, come back to Landerbolt. We can close pop ads. Copy the address of your pop ads page. Paste it in a notepad. So here's your pop ads page. And here on top of that is my plug rush page. So we've got two URLs. Your PlugRush URL, which is getting traffic in ClickHub. So where are we at? So this part over here, okay, that URL, and we have page 1 set up. All right. So let me play this again. So where are we at? We have our first page on PlugRush set up. Now we have to set the stale timer from that page to go to our pop ads page, okay? And our pop ads page, that's going to go to the smart link. So this is what we're doing today. Okay, we have our traffic coming in, our subdomain, and then the smart link offer. This is what we're setting up right now. All right, so let's go ahead and finish. We have one more thing we need to do here. So now we have our PlugRush gallery page. We need to go to the settings, click on File Manager, click on index.html. So the PlugRush page now goes to where? Yes, the pop ads page. So copy your pop ads URL. Go to line 7. On line 7, you're going to see a HTTPS, and then it ends with a 566045. Make sure you get exactly between the quotes. There's 2 quotation marks. Delete it. Paste in the URL of the Popcache page. Save changes. All right, so we have the traffic starting to get set up. The traffic is now, because you have live traffic flowing. So live traffic all of a sudden gets redirected by the stale timer into pop ads, and pop ads, that stale timer goes to the network. PlugRush pop ads network. Everyone got it? I'll go back to the slide one more time. So our first site is PlugRush. And we have pop ads. Okay. PlugRush, pop ads, smart link. All right, let's go back. So our PlugRush gallery page goes to our pop ads page. Now I can go back to the dashboard. So last part of this, our pop ads page, click the settings, the file manager, index.html, now log into RevProfits, go to My Offers Approved, click on Sim SmartLink Private India Simulated. Copy your URL, click on Landerbolts, go to line 53 now. read where it says configure stale timer using the following 2 lines. Find your old Rev Profits code, which is going to the other offer. It starts with HTTPS. Paste your new code inside, save changes. So you're all going to be running, I want you to run the simulated offer. Paste that in the liner bolt. And that's it. Save changes. All right, homework. Create a Pop Ads account. Duplicate your Plug Rush page. Register page on Pop Ads. Delete Plug Rush code. Paste Pop Ads code. Change stale timer in Pop Ads code to go to Rev Profits. Change stale timer in Plug Rush page to go to Pop Ads. So here's your homework. Give you a second to write that down. Make sure you're taking notes. Okay, and then the offer in Rev Profits. So this 210326668 is the sim offer. 20990364. Down for maintenance. All right. We're gonna get it back as soon as possible. But it's going down for maintenance today. Today, okay? So by tonight, your traffic needs to go to the new offer. Okay, so the 668 sim offer, we're gonna be running that while we wait for a new offer. Or if this offer comes back out of maintenance, okay, we're working on it right now. But in the meantime, while the offer is down, you're gonna run the sim offer, which is 6688. All right, this is your homework. Go ahead and type in questions, and we'll do Q&A for about 10 minutes. GG. Oh, Larry, GG, I'll get you to say it. Larry, I got your email. Larry said, yep, so the trading button, we talked about that. We'll circle back to that in week 4. Don't worry about that right now. Okay, yeah, the new offer is simulated. Offer 0364, which you have been running. That is not simulated. Yes, that offer pays out. It because you're in the coaching, so that offer pays out for sure. Gigi, yes, the pop ads code. Yeah, it's okay, Gigi. I mean, most of the domains on that site are gibberish, so you should be fine. Leverage marketing. When I set up a plug rush campaign, it mistakenly sent us instead of India. Oh, it's set to US. Delete it and start over. The first offer you're running, someone had a question about the first offer. Yes, that's a paying offer, so don't worry about that. The new offer is simulated. We're gonna run that until we get the offer back. All right. I don't want you sending your traffic to a dead link. I'd rather rack up simulated earnings, and maybe you can use that down the road. Plug Rush has only bought 4 clicks, Caitlin. It should be higher than that. Just wait to see what happens over the weekend. Traffic usually, yeah. Oh, leverage. Okay. I know what you did. Yeah. You created a ClickHub campaign by accident in US. Okay. Yeah, we'll just delete that and start a new one and call it Plug Rush. And make sure you just get India in there. Nice, Kaylin. Mauricio. Mauricio, it's an insertion order. So the way you know you're profitable is after that month, it's a 30-day media buy. So after that 30 days, you can compare your spend to your earnings. This is, again, Mauricio, it's not a real-time bidding platform where you're gonna get any analytics. It's just a media buy insertion platform. Alex, that's normal. Traffic will spike, so when traffic spikes, you'll get more impressions. Gigi, do the pop ad setup, and understand that we're buying India traffic on 3G devices, so there's probably going to be an ad blocker on most modern web browsers, but the ad blocker on Android devices and iOS devices isn't as good. Bruce, do not. Okay, yeah, Bruce, that's what the smart links do. So if you got a message saying like one of those Mac antivirus things, do not click on it. Alex, that's okay. If there's a delay time with pop ads, that's all right. Mauricio, yeah, we haven't scaled yet, and we haven't tested iOS traffic, desktop traffic. So just wait on that. You should definitely see some revenue. Alex, 30 seconds. We're using 30 on our stale timers to get approved, and then we'll start. Next week we're going to start tweaking and optimizing our campaigns. Okay, we're scaling right now. We're going to optimize. Everyone's doing great. Everyone's keeping up with the homework. Oh yes. Yep. Bruce, appreciate you. Thank you, Mauricio. We got a lot coming. Next week's one of my favorite weeks. We do optimization. Leverage marketing. That should probably go out by tonight. So the replay will be in the members area as soon as I can render it. Gigi, if your ads aren't in a row, that's okay. Thank you, Larry. I really appreciate you. I told you, I made a promise to you that before you invested in me, I made a promise that I would take this. It consumes my life because I'm doing everything I can to make the coaching better. We're constantly testing things. So it's a commitment I take very seriously, Larry, and I appreciate the feedback. We're here for you, Larry. I thank you so much for saying that. Okay, everyone. I think that's it. Alex, wait till week 3 for that question. Wait for week 3, and I'll cover it. Correct. Delete the insert. Thank you so much. You know, teaching this really makes you learn it better. Delete plug rush code, insert pop ads code. Thank you, Alex. Yes, Kaylin. No other course like this. Blown away. This is just the beginning, too. There's so much more I want to show you. I've been wanting to show someone this method so badly, it was eating me up inside. That's how badly I've wanted to show this. So my vision and my dream was to have you come into the coaching already making money. Because who likes coaching where by week 8, they're finally going to make money? No. How does that help you? Exactly. Okay. All right, everyone. Have a wonderful weekend. Recording will go in the members area as soon as possible. I think I got all the questions. Correct. Yep. If it takes 2 days for pop ads to get approved, that's okay. All right, Gigi. I gotta go. It's been a great call. I always limit the trainings to 1 hour because if I go too long, it doesn't serve either of us. Okay. Have a great weekend, everyone. This is Jordan. Over and out.